our 23-inch LED open sign. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 23 inches, and the height, total of 11.5 inches. This open sign uses a standard 110-120 voltage connection. And after it's hooked up, a switch here can be turned on and off. That will illuminate the open sign. Included will be 2 hooks on each end, as well as a chain to hang and display this open sign. Hooks on top, left or right, can be used with this chain or anything else you have on hand. For all questions, give us a call. And for more information on this open sign, visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com. Thank you.